Ford F-150 5.4 liter 3-valve engine. We're going to be replacing the mass airflow sensor. All you're going to need is a T15 Torx bit and your new part. Start right here. We're going to go ahead and unplug the mass airflow. We'll get it disconnected. And then there's two screws that hold it in. Get those loose and it'll come right out. Set your screws off to the side. You'll need those to reinstall the new one. And just pull it out. Let's get our new part. Alright, we got our new part. We'll go ahead and get this installed. And then I'll explain what we got going on and why we changed this part out. Snug those screws up. And then we'll get the connector and plug it back in. Alright, so what we had was we had problems with the start-stall issue and some drivability issues when it would run. Our mass airflow grams per second reading would fluctuate anywhere from really about 7 grams per second up to 10. At times that it should be reading somewhere right around 5.5 to 6, where it should be. We also noticed our map voltage when the key was turned off and then clicked back on with the engine off. We would actually have a reading on that, and it should be sitting at right at 0 when the key's on, engine off. It was just high enough to cause some issues every now and then with the fuel trims. Right now our fuel trims are actually sitting pretty good. Our bank 1 is setting right around 5, and our bank 2 somewhere right around there, 2, 3, 4, 5%. So that's excellent. We was having like I said, lean codes for bank 2 mostly, P0174, and we also had lean codes for bank 1, P1071. Just got back from a test drive on this here. All our fuel trims look good. The mass airflow reading looked good, and the vehicle's driving exceptionally well. And we went through the drive cycle on here. We don't have any more lean codes appearing at all. The only thing we have a code for is the oil pressure switch. Completely different issue for this. But if you're having the same trouble or having issues like that, would be worth your while to go ahead and get a scanner hooked up and watch your fuel trims and check that mass airflow. Thanks for watching.